Hi, this is Brian Ierson. I'm one of the trainers at the Computer Workshop. In today's tutorial, I'm going to go over using the Design tab tools in Microsoft Word. These are going to be tools that help you implement your organization's branding into your documents in a super simplified manner. As you can see, I have a Word document here, and it has already got styles applied in the document itself. Just to kind of illustrate this, you can see line 1 here. This is heading 1 style. The next paragraph is using normal, and then coming down to the next heading, you can see it's heading 2. Now these are using all the standard formatted options from within Microsoft Word, and we're going to switch things around and use some of the design themes. So we're going to switch from the Home tab to the Design tab in the ribbon, and here you can see is the list of themes in the first drop-down. So you can choose any of these and it will change colors, it will change font choices in line with whichever of these you choose. Question is, how do I get new ones or ones that are built to my organization's branding standards? And to do this, we will start by coming to the other side of the document formatting group, and we'll begin with fonts. So clicking on this drop down, you can see you have a list of, again, pre-built options, and at the very bottom you have the ability to create a customized set. Clicking on that will open the Create New Theme Fonts window, where you have the ability to change what font is used for any of your headings and what font is used for the body text. Generally, the body text or body font you could consider to be what is in the normal font or normal style. So to start with, I am going to quickly choose my brand approved fonts here. Once I have selected both my heading and body font, I do want to give it a name so that I don't end up with a custom name 1, 2, 3. It will become incredibly confusing. In this case, I am creating this for print output, so I'm going to label it as such and tap Save. Once my font choices have been made, I might want to consider, or I should consider, customizing the colors that are used in my document to again be in line with brand standards. So now I can come to the colors drop down. I have access to their full list of available pre-built Office color themes. In my case, I'm going to come all the way to the bottom again and choose customized colors, which when clicked will open the Create New Themes Colors window, where you can now begin to modify all of the accent colors and hyperlink colors to be in line with your branding standards. So clicking on the little color picker, you can choose any of the pre-built sets, any of the existing themes colors. You also have the ability to choose more colors, where you can type in the exact RGB value or even the hex value for your organization's colors. Once this has been completed with all of your accent colors, you can then consider giving this a name that is also in line with branding standards. So we have been building these section by section. You could continue to modify paragraph spacing. You could choose an effects set. So these are going to be drop shadows, reflections, glows, all of those type of visual effects that you can apply to objects. Once all of these choices have been made, you can set this as the default, but you may find that you have branding standards related to print documents and web-based documents, and they are going to be different. Now, when I have finished making all of these choices before I set my default, I do like to come over to the themes and save the current set of options that I have in play for this document. So choosing Save Current Theme allows me to save this theme into the Document Themes folder. Do not change where this is going to be saved, as all of your Microsoft Office programs will access the same themes folder for their documents. And this allows for a greater degree of consistency as we go between Word documents to PowerPoint documents and Excel documents. I'm going to name this accordingly, so I will name this TCW print and save. On a sidebar note, if I decided I wanted to share this theme with colleagues, what I can do is come into the themes dropdown, choose to save my current theme again, but this time instead of saving it into the default location, I can save it into the documents folder or onto my desktop, and I can email this to my colleagues or put it onto a shared location where all of my colleagues can access it. So once again, I would like to thank you for taking the time to join us for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We do put out new videos every Friday. If you would like to learn more about Word, please check out our website, tcworkshop.com, and see what classes we have coming up. So once again, thank you for now, and take care.